March 2nd, it celebrates Dr. Seuss, and it is also Read Across America Day. So in honor of that, Thing 1 and Thing 2 have put together these wonderful bookmarks for you guys to make some bookmarks for your reading challenge. So what you do with these bookmarks is you have 2 bookmarks right here. Thing 1 and Thing 2 show your bookmarks, that you can color. And what they have here is they have some little ties. After you color your bookmarks, you put one of your ties on each of the bookmarks. Don't tie too tight, because if you tie too tight, it could rip. But don't use the blue one, because the blue one's a special ribbon for a special reason. So we've got one ribbon, or one bookmark you color, and then you can put this little bookmark ribbon on it, and then you do the other one, and you put a bookmark ribbon on it. And then this bookmark is a special bookmark, because it looks like my friends, Thing 1 and Thing 2. And what you do is you get a glue stick, and you glue it right on the middle of this, and then you get your blue little ribbon and you put it on there because it looks like Thing 2's hair over here. And so then in the end, Thing 1's going to show you what it's going to look like. And that's really great. So, and then lastly, they've got these really cute little pencil in here for you to remember Dr. Seuss Day and have a fun Dr. Seuss pencil. So when you have this all done, your bookmarks, you can use it for your reading challenge. And Thing 1 is going to tell us all about our reading challenge.
All right, so we have an awesome reading challenge for you on Tuesday, March 2nd. You are challenged to read out loud with somebody in your house, or maybe even virtually. You can do a virtual read aloud time with somebody that you know, a friend or a family member. And we want you to spend 30 minutes reading out loud or having someone read out loud to you. And if you do that, send us a picture, let us know, and we'll enter you in a drawing to win a book on Dr. Seuss Day.
Well, thank you so much, Thing 1. We love Dr. Seuss Day. It's one of our favorite holidays here. So have a great Dr. Seuss Day, and we'll see you soon.